Friends, have you ever noticed that the computers at your home, school, or the MSCIT center are connected by so many wires? Some wires supply electricity, while others connect the mouse and keyboard to the CPU. Among them, there is also one wire connected for network supply, commonly known as Internet. With this network, you can access any information in the world. With just one click, you can talk to your friends and share files, photos, and videos. Now, you might be wondering why we are explaining all this to you here. This is because you may get these types of questions in the MSCIT exam. For example, let's look at this question. If you connect computers together to communicate and exchange information, the result is called a AN, and the options are network, internet, intranet, extranet. Now, in this question, all the four options look similar, but only one option can be correct, right? So, let's understand these options one by one. Through network, multiple devices are connected to each other so that information can be shared. These devices can be connected either wired or wirelessly. A simple example of this is a local area network, LAN, that connects devices in a home or our MSCIT center such as computers, printers, or phones. But Internet is a global network which connects different networks around the world. This is a big network in which more than thousands of smaller networks are connected. For example, in your city, there can be many MSCIT centers, but they can all be connected with the help of the Internet. Through the Internet, you can access information globally, send emails, use online services, and much more. So, we can say that the Internet is also a network, but it is accessible globally. There are also two other options in the question. One is intranet and other is extranet. What are these? Let's understand. An intranet is a private network created for the internal use of a company or organization. For example, let's say there is an ABC company using the network that connects its employees, departments, and branch offices. But this network is separate from the public internet. There is a lot of security on the intranet because it handles the confidential data of the company. On the other hand, an extranet provides a secure way for a company to share information and conduct business transactions with external companies without granting them full access to the internal network. For example, ABC company share their work with some XYZ company, but they don't share all the information of their company. It works the same way as intranet, but with limited access. It allows outsiders to join the teamwork without seeing the private information. Now let's see what is the correct answer to the question we asked previously. The correct answer to the question would be network. Why? Because when you connect computers to each other so that they can communicate and exchange information, this setup is called a network. This is a general term used to describe any type of connection, whether local area network, LAN, wide area network, WAN, or any other network. Do you remember in our MSCIT book we have learned about Internet topics in detail? Similarly, you can get a detailed explanation of this topic in your ERA Learning Session 5. I hope this question has helped you understand this topic more. We will solve some more such questions in our next session.